2005 GMC Denali 6.0 liter V8. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory, which they all should be. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW style muffler, basically a MAGNAFLOW, but from China. But it's okay, it sounds good too. With a built-in X pipe inside of it. And then we continued the 2 1/4 all the way back into 3-inch tips. He didn't want them too big, so we put up 3-inch angled tips there and there. And that's what it looks like. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. It's not going to be too loud, it'll sound nice. True dual. Sounds pretty good. GMC Sierra. Here's the sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Whoa. Again. About 96. Sounds good. Nice and deep. Got the tips nice and tucked up for you guys. And with these mufflers, it's not too much drone. GMC Denali Sierra 6.0. See the Sierra? Let's see. Got some 24s on it too. Very nice wheel.